What if I told you that mastering a high-income skill could transform your financial future and allow you to earn over $10,000 per month? These aren't just any skills. They're proven pathways to wealth used by top earners around the world. Wealth Builders, today, we're diving into 13 high-income skills that can help you achieve financial freedom. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of each skill, how they work, and which ones might be the perfect fit for you. We'll cover everything from high-ticket sales and consulting to cutting-edge fields like AI and blockchain development. Welcome to Wealth Builder Masterclass, where future millionaires go for wealth, wisdom, and life advice. If you're new to the channel, click the subscribe button to get the latest updates. High-income skill number 1, high-ticket sales. Have you ever wondered how some salespeople make 6 figures? High-ticket sales involve selling expensive products or services with high commissions. This business model works by targeting affluent customers or businesses that need premium solutions. For instance, you might sell luxury real estate, high-end software solutions, or exclusive coaching programs. Typically, a high-ticket sale closer might close a $2,000 sale after a 40-minute call. If they close 5 clients a month, that's $10,000 in earnings. It's suited for communicative and persuasive individuals who enjoy building relationships and negotiating deals. The key is to understand the client's needs deeply and present your high-ticket item as the perfect solution to their problems. High-income skill number 2, consulting. Do you have expertise in a specific field? Consulting allows you to offer your knowledge and advice to businesses or individuals willing to pay for your insights. This model involves identifying a niche where you can provide significant value, such as business strategy, IT, or management consulting. You'll typically work on a project basis, charging by the hour or per project. For example, a business consultant might charge $200 per hour. With just 50 hours of consulting a month, you'd make $10,000. This skill is perfect for analytical and strategic thinkers who enjoy problem solving and have a wealth of experience in their industry. High-income skill number 3, coaching. Have you thought about helping others achieve their goals? Coaching involves guiding individuals or teams to improve their performance in various domains like fitness, career development, or personal growth. You'll create personalized plans, provide motivation, and track progress. You might charge $500 per month per client for weekly coaching sessions. By coaching a small group of 20 clients together or individually, you'd reach $10,000 per month. This business model suits empathetic and supportive individuals who enjoy mentoring and have strong communication skills. By building a reputation for getting results, you can command high fees and make a substantial income. High-income skill number 4, public speaking and presentation. Do you love engaging with an audience? Public speaking and presentation involve delivering impactful speeches and presentations at events, conferences, or corporate training sessions. This skill is all about captivating an audience, conveying powerful messages, and leaving a lasting impression. A public speaker can earn $5,000 to $10,000 per event. By speaking at 2 events per month, you can easily surpass the $10,000 mark. It's ideal for outgoing and confident individuals who enjoy storytelling and have a knack for performing. Successful public speakers can earn thousands per event, making it a lucrative high-income skill. High-income skill number 5, copywriting. Do you have a way with words? Copywriting involves writing persuasive content for marketing and advertising that drives action. This includes writing sales pages, email campaigns, and advertisements. The business model works by using your writing skills to convert readers into customers. Top copywriters can charge $2,000 per sales page or $100 per email. Writing just 10 sales pages or 100 emails a month can earn you $10,000. It's perfect for creative and communicative individuals who can craft compelling messages. With the rise of digital marketing, skilled copywriters are in high demand and can charge premium rates for their services. High-income skill number 6, video production and editing. Are you passionate about creating visual content? Video production and editing involve creating and refining video content for various platforms like YouTube, social media, and corporate training. This skill is essential for businesses looking to enhance their online presence. Freelance video producers can charge $1,000 to $2,000 per project. Completing 5 to 10 projects a month can easily bring in $10,000. It's suited for creative and technical individuals who enjoy storytelling through visuals and have a good eye for detail. High-quality video content is highly valued, and experts in this field can command significant fees. High-income skill number 7, sales funnel building. Have you heard of sales funnels? Sales funnel building involves designing and optimizing the customer journey from initial interest to final purchase. This model requires understanding customer behavior and creating a seamless experience that maximizes conversions. Sales funnel builders can charge $5,000 to $10,000 per funnel, depending on the complexity of the funnel. Completing just 1 or 2 funnels a month can help you achieve your income goals. It's ideal for analytical and strategic thinkers who can dissect marketing processes and improve them. Businesses are willing to pay top dollar for effective sales funnels that boost their revenue. High-income skill number 8, content marketing manager. Do you enjoy creating valuable content? Content marketing involves creating and distributing content to attract and engage a target audience. This includes blog posts, videos, and social media content. The goal is to build brand awareness and drive traffic to a business. Content marketers can charge $5,000 to $10,000 per month to manage a company's content strategy. With 1 or 2 clients, you can reach $10,000. It's perfect for creative and communicative individuals who can produce high-quality content consistently. Effective content marketers are in high demand, and their skills can lead to significant earnings. High-income skill number 9, social media manager. Are you always on social media? Social media management involves promoting products or services through platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. This role requires creating content, engaging with followers, and analyzing performance. Social media managers can charge $2,000 to $5,000 per month per client. Managing 3 to 5 clients can easily get you to $10,000. It's suited for sociable and creative individuals who understand how to grow and manage online communities. With the importance of social media in digital marketing, skilled managers can earn a substantial income. High-income skill number 10, e-commerce management. Have you ever thought about running an online store? E-commerce management involves overseeing all aspects of an online business, from product sourcing to customer service. This model requires understanding how to optimize websites, manage inventory, and drive traffic through marketing campaigns. E-commerce managers can take a percentage of the revenue, often 10% to 20%. Managing a store that generates $50,000 to $100,000 in monthly sales can earn you $10,000. It's perfect for entrepreneurial and organized individuals who can juggle multiple tasks. Successful e-commerce managers can turn small online stores into profitable businesses. High-income skill number 11, software development. Are you tech-savvy and love coding? Software development involves creating and maintaining software applications that solve problems or provide entertainment. This skill is highly versatile and in demand across various industries. Freelance software developers can charge $100 to $150 per hour. Working 70 to 100 hours a month can earn you $10,000. It's suited for logical and detail-oriented individuals who enjoy problem-solving and have a passion for technology. Skilled software developers can earn high salaries or work as freelancers, commanding impressive fees for their expertise. High-income skill number 12, blockchain development. Interested in the future of technology? Blockchain development involves creating and managing blockchain applications and smart contracts. This skill is at the forefront of innovation, with applications in finance, supply chain, and more. Blockchain developers can charge $150 to $200 per hour. Working 50 to 70 hours a month can easily bring in $10,000. It's ideal for technical and analytical individuals who are excited about decentralized technologies. As blockchain technology grows, so does the demand for skilled developers, leading to high-income opportunities. High-income skill number 13, artificial intelligence. Are you fascinated by AI? Artificial intelligence involves developing and implementing AI and machine learning models that can perform tasks typically requiring human intelligence. This skill is revolutionizing industries like healthcare, finance, and transportation. AI specialists can charge $200 per hour. Working 50 hours a month can earn you $10,000. It's suited for analytical and technical individuals who excel in data analysis and programming. AI experts are in high demand, and their ability to innovate can lead to substantial earnings. Congratulations, wealth builders. You've just learned about 13 incredible high-income skills that can help you earn $10,000 or more per month. From mastering high-ticket sales to diving into the cutting-edge fields of AI and blockchain development, these skills offer pathways to significant financial success. Each skill is suited to different strengths and interests, so there's something here for everyone. Remember, the key to achieving financial freedom is to start taking action today. Choose a skill that resonates with you, invest in learning and practice, and watch as your efforts pay off. The journey to becoming a high-income earner begins with a single step. Okay, now it's time to test your knowledge to see what you've learned. You'll be given a series of questions with multiple choice answers. Answer A, B, or C for each question and give yourself a point for each one you get correct. Ready? Question 1. What is a key characteristic of high-ticket sales that makes it a lucrative high-income skill? A. Selling low-cost items with high volume. B. Targeting affluent customers or businesses with expensive products or services. Or C. Focusing on short sales cycles. Answer B. Targeting affluent customers or businesses with expensive products or services. Question 2. In consulting, what is the primary factor that allows you to command high fees? A. Broad knowledge across multiple fields. B. Working on long-term projects only. Or C. Offering specialized expertise in a specific niche. Answer C. Offering specialized expertise in a specific niche. Question 3. What key skills do you need to succeed in coaching? A. Providing personalized plans and tracking client progress. B. Focusing solely on online group sessions. Or C. Developing generic programs for all clients. Answer A. Providing personalized plans and tracking client progress. Question 4. Why is public speaking considered a high-income skill? A. It allows you to engage in conversations rather than presentations. B. It involves delivering impactful speeches that can earn substantial fees per event. Or C. It focuses on casual, informal presentations. Answer B. It involves delivering impactful speeches that can earn substantial fees per event. Question 5. What sets copywriting apart as a high-income skill? A. Writing technical manuals and reports. B. Focusing exclusively on social media posts. Or C. Creating persuasive content that drives action and sales. Answer C. Creating persuasive content that drives action and sales. Question 6. In video production and editing, what is a key factor in earning a high income? A. Producing videos without considering audience engagement. B. Delivering high-quality video content that meets clients' needs. Or C. Focusing only on personal projects without client interaction. Answer B. Delivering high-quality video content that meets clients' needs. Question 7. What is the primary goal of building and optimizing sales funnels? A. Maximizing conversions by designing a seamless customer experience. B. Focusing on traditional advertising methods. Or C. creating complex and lengthy customer journeys? Answer A. Maximizing conversions by designing a seamless customer experience. Question 8. How can content marketing managers justify their high fees? A. By creating occasional content without a clear strategy. B. By focusing on offline marketing campaigns only. Or C. By consistently producing high-quality content that builds brand awareness and drives traffic. Answer: C. By consistently producing high-quality content that builds brand awareness and drives traffic. Question 9. What is crucial for success as a social media manager? A. Posting content without engaging with followers. B. Promoting products or services through engaging content and analyzing performance. Or C. Avoiding paid advertising strategies. Answer: B. Promoting products or services through engaging content and analyzing performance. Question 10. Which two skills are essential for a successful career in artificial intelligence? A. Graphic design. B. Data analysis. Or C. Programming. Answer: B. Data analysis and C. Programming. Did you get them all correct? Then pat yourself on the back. If not, rewatch the video and take the quiz again, and you'll do better next time. Are you a wealth builder? Then be sure to subscribe for updates. Until then, we'll see you in the next video.